King Eurystheus commanded the third task, to capture the Cyrenian hind alive. This hind belonged to Artemis, goddess of the moon, and was a very special deer with golden antlers. He gave this task because he believed Artemis would be greatly angered and punish Hercules if he simply killed the deer. Hercules went to capture the doe with the golden antlers. Wow, he was really fast. He was momentarily flustered. But in the end, Hercules accomplished this difficult task too. On the way back to the palace with the doe, he met Apollo and Artemis.
That's my doe. What are you doing?
Artemis, I am only following King Eurystheus' orders. I am currently performing the third of the 12 labors, and the king specifically commanded me to capture this doe alive. After presenting it to King Eurystheus, I will release it as soon as possible. I promise.
Oh, really? Then you absolutely must keep your promise.
Hercules showed the doe to the king and immediately released it. By keeping his promise, he avoided the goddess's wrath. And the very next task was assigned. It was to capture the ferocious Erymanthian boar alive. This boar was so ferocious that it was no wonder people were afraid of it. But our Hercules, he seized the boar in one swift move on the white snow. Having completed the fourth labor, Hercules was immediately given the next task. I'll definitely tell you the story of the fifth labor next time, don't worry.